Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do some glazing in acrylics, and we're going to turn this tiger painting from black and white to color. So yeah, if you followed the tutorial, you'll see that I actually painted this tiger in black and white, and I only mixed one color except for the slight blue for the front of the nose and the actual nose itself. The rest was all just one color. I've just put a white here so you can see that the white is not actually white. There's only some white parts in this spot here and one or two select locations. So the reason I paint in black and white is so that I can judge the values a little bit easier. And this is the orange that I mixed. So yeah, the reason I paint in black and white is so that I can judge the values, the light and the shade easier, because if you're painting in color, you'd have to mix that color to that value, and that might be a bit difficult. So I just tend to paint in black and white, then I can get all the shadows in exactly where I need them, get the shape of the animal right, and then I just glaze over the top. And I've mixed my very standard acrylic paints out of the tube, there's nothing special here, to about 95% with distilled water. I still get great adhesion, there's absolutely no problem with that at all. So I'm just going to let the video play, and yeah, if you want to change the music, go ahead. As I say, I only mixed one color, we're still using the same color, and because I've pre-painted the shadows in, the value, the color hue will change as I put this glaze over the top. So that affords me the opportunity to make nice blends without having to mix every single color and trying to blend them individually. So here I'm just painting that very pale blue over the top, mostly in the shadow areas. I also used this very same technique for this Rottweiler picture, so you can see that it does work. Guys, thanks so much for joining. Please find the full tutorial of this tiger on the YouTube channel. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time.